Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VCYT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement the past couple of days, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume in the past couple of days, well above average volume, so certainly a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above $14. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 14, I'm not saying that the entire chart is ruined and broken or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, if the price can stay up above that area, that would definitely be a big sign of power. Next level of support after that would be this previous breakout point area, and that sits down around $12.50. So $14 and $12.50, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, sure, staying above 14, that would be awesome, but big picture, grand scheme of things, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls are 100% in control. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at right now, key level right up there around the $15 mark. Just going through a quick history of the day, you can see that several times the price got right up around that area, and several times it struggled with 15. So while I'm not saying 15 can't be broken, apparently according to the story that is being told right now, the bulls are really going to need to bring their A game if they're going to be able to fight above it and stay above that mark. But all in all, big picture, great looking chart, and as long as the price keeps on building higher bases, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.